everyone. Today's topic is pulses. Pulses is important for prelims every year and it's also important for prelims 2025. Every year, 10th February is celebrated as the World Pulse Day and it was declared by United Nations General Assembly in 2018. This is led by Food and Agriculture Organization. In Kharif crops, tur, moong and urad are the pulse crops. And in Rabi crops, gram, which is also known as chickpea, and masoor, which is also known as lentil, are the pulse crops. Now in production, gram accounts to 47% of production in India, followed by tur and urad. Now, Rabi crops are greater in production than Kharif crops. It's also greater in respect to area and productivity. India is the highest producer, importer, consumer of pulses in the world. Rajasthan, followed by Madhya Pradesh, are the largest producers of pulses. Now, Mission on Pulses, which has been integrated and converged with PM Dhanya Krishi Yojana in 2025. Now, it is allocated with 1,000 crores of rupees. Now, red gram, a variety of tur dal, has got a GI tag from Karnataka. Tur dal is imported from Mozambique and Malawi. Now, let me know in the comment section from which country does India import urad dal. Let us solve a question from Prelims 2020. With reference to pulses production in India, consider the following statements. Black gram can be cultivated as both Kharif and Rabi crop. True. Green gram alone accounts for nearly half of the pulse production. This is wrong. And in the last 3 decades, while the production of Kharif pulses has increased, the production of Rabi pulses has decreased. This is wrong because both have increased. Thus, the answer is option A. Thank you.